Yeah, students, I'm going to start this new chapter now, international business. Okay. So first, meaning of international business. This question will be asked for 2 marks. What is international business? What is international business? Yes, international business are those business activities that takes place across the national boundaries. Okay, now if you're doing the business within India, like Udupi, you're having a shop in Udupi and you're selling it to another shop, say in Delhi, it is within the country, right? But if you're selling the goods to other countries, then it is international business. It involves movement of goods, services, technology, and intellectual. Your goods can go from our country to other countries, services, technology, intellectual is labors, skilled labors. Okay, so what is international business? That is, business activities takes place across the national boundaries. A national boundary, geographical boundary, it will cross and then do the business. Okay, yes. Now, very important question, student. This difference between international business and domestic business for 8 marks. Yes, this is 8 marks questions. What is the difference between international business and domestic business? So what is difference? 8 points you have to write. First point is this. Maybe you can give a heading, domestic business here, international business here. You can draw a line like this. First point is, people or organization of one nation will participate. Domestic business means what, students? You are doing the business within India. That is domestic. Within our country, if you are doing, that is domestic. International business means what? You are doing the business with other countries. Now, first difference, people or organization of one country will participate. Yes, now India means all the people of only Indians will participate in the business. But in international business, people of different nation means different countries, maybe China, Japan, America, Australia, all will participate in international business. Okay, first point is clear. Okay, now second point, suppliers, employees, shareholders are from same country, isn't it? Domestic business means what? You are doing the business in India only. So the suppliers, employees, workers, shareholders will be from same country, one country only. Maybe from different state, but country is same. But international business, what it is? Suppliers, employees, shareholders are from different countries. They can be from China, then Africa, other countries. Okay, these are the 2 points. Next difference is for domestic and international, it is third point, mobility of factors of production like labor, capital is more within the country. Mobility, what is mobility, students? Mobility means movement. The movement of factors of production, that is labors, movement of labors, capital is more in within the country. Within the country, movement is more. But international mobility means movement, okay? Movement of factors of production like labor, capital is less within the country. Within India, movement is lesser. Movement is more with the other countries. Yes, the labor can go from our country to other countries. But in domestic, what it is? Within the country, maybe from Udupi till Bangalore to Chennai, like that. But international labor can move from where? One country to other country. Within the country is less. Okay? Yes. Now next, fourth point, domestic is homogeneous in nature. What is homogeneous, students? Homogeneous means same. Similarities is more within the country. Yes, same things are more within the country. Here it lacks homogeneous means similarities, having similar things within the country is less, because international business is doing business with the other countries, isn't it? Yes. Next point is, business system and practice is same within the country, isn't it? Business system or the way of doing the business, the practice is same within the country, but for international it is business system and practice is different across the country. In India, for example, okay, in domestic business means business within India, the business doing style, their practice in India, how we do know, how we are following, it will be same. But international business, maybe one branch they are having in India, but main branch in America, how they will follow? They will follow the system of America, isn't it? So the practice is different. Yes, business system and practice. Andre, the way of doing business, the way they function, the way they work, it will be same within the country. Okay, within our country, if it is in Udupi, Bangalore, all it will be similar because it is of one country. But in business, international business, it will be different. Okay, next one is in domestic business, it is subject to political system and risk in single country. Isn't it? Domestic business alli, it is subject to political system and risk of single country. Political system means if Indian, if you're doing business, domestic, you have to follow political system of India. Government, you have to respect of India. Risk is all of Indian. But here, international business only, political system and risk of different countries. Okay, maybe for example, big MNCs are there in Bangalore. One branch is there. It is an American company. But they will follow their system, their politics, their political, their government. They will follow more of their country, America. Okay, yes. Next, in domestic, subject to rules, laws, tax system of single country. Isn't it? It will follow the rules, laws, that police laws, whatever laws, government laws are there, tax system of only one country. Because domestic country only, you are dealing with only one country. Say if it is India, then only India. But internationally, you are subject to rules, laws, tax system of multiple countries. Isn't it? Now, for example, domestic country, we can take one Infosys. Infosys is a Indian company. It will follow the rules, regulation of only India. But here take another company, say for example, Pepsi. It's an American company. So it will follow the rules, laws of America. Okay. Yes. Next important in domestic business, currency of domestic country. Currency means our currency is what? Rupees. Isn't it? So they will follow rupees system only. They will convert their prices, cost in rupees. But here use of in international business, how it is? Use of currencies of more than one country. If it in India they are doing, then it is rupees. If it is America, then they will do in dollars. Yes. Then if it is Malaysia, then it will be in ringgits. So it differs. Currencies will change. But here currency, our rupees will be rupees only. Fine? Okay, students. So these were all the 8 points you have to write for 8 marks. Thank you.